Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to recover your Hotmail or Outlook account easily. Whether you've forgotten your password or lost access after a security issue, don't worry. I'll walk you through the full recovery process step by step, so stay tuned till the end to get your account back fast and secure. First, open any web browser and go to the Outlook or Microsoft 365 login page. You can simply search for Outlook login on Google or type outlook.com directly. Once you're there, click the Sign In button to start the recovery process. Now, enter your Hotmail email address carefully. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes. Even a small typo can stop you from accessing your account. After typing your email, click Next. On the password screen, look for and click Forgot Your Password. This is the key step that activates Microsoft's account recovery system. It's designed to help users who've forgotten their password or whose account might have been hacked. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. Microsoft will ask how you'd like to receive a verification code, either through your linked recovery email or your registered phone number. Choose the method you have access to, then check your inbox or phone for the code. Enter the code when prompted, and once verified, you'll be able to reset your password. Make sure to create a strong and secure password. Combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to make it hard to guess. After resetting, sign back in with your new password to regain full access to your Hotmail account. Finally, and this is very important, enable two-factor authentication 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security, so even if someone gets your password, they still can't access your account without your approval. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Hotmail account and made it more secure for the future. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.